Okay, so we have a guy on the left here. He's making an access chamber out of bricks. And on the right, we have a couple of guys making an access chamber out of plastic. I think the brand here is Stacker Box, but I think there's other brands. But yeah, it's just plastic. And remember, the key thing here is that the end result for the client is basically the same. You have an access chamber with electrical cables running through it that can withstand the load above. But the big difference is when you use plastic, it's much quicker. So as you can see, the guy on the left, he's putting in the second layer of bricks and they're already backfilling for the plastic version. And the thing that sort of doubles up the problem with using brickwork compared to plastic is that once you've finished making your brickwork access chamber, you then have to wait. You have to wait the afternoon, you have to wait overnight, you have to wait till the morning. Because bricks can move if you backfill too soon. The mortar needs to be set. So really you lose a huge amount of time comparatively compared to using plastic. Not just the install, but the waiting time. So if you get access chambers designed in brick, look at trying to change them to plastic. Save time in your program.